下邊已經有好多人排緊隊，唔好意思啊。
咁多位係咩㗎？你哋麻煩你哋有去翻嗰邊，唔好企喺度集中喺呢個位好唔好？呢度唔得。OK， 你哋去第二個。
Anjay, Sabinga. Berguna kan? Berguna kan? Tempatnya kecil banget kan? Like it's so small. Like kemarin gue beli warna putih sama warna hitamnya. Is this Charlotte?
Yeah, Charlotte. I'm gonna race soon. I'm waiting for my turn.
Okay.
Bang, jangan kalah sama ini.
Okay, I'm gonna try the cream crepes soda. Enak. Pantatnya bagus.
Baby. Banget ya.
Enggak apa?
Parah nih guys.
Enggak, bulunya bagus.
Enggak, you heard him right?
Ayo ini play guys, in slow motion.
Iya emang. Suka dia suka. Pur.
Digigit. Kenapa bro?
Gigitnya main-main kan?
Iya, kayaknya. Atau stop touching me.
Kucing kan kayak perempuan, kayak you don't know like what they want.
Nggak jadi.
Ini kita sekarang beli makanannya.
Ya.
Ayo. Balik lagi ke sini. Makanan jalanan sih the best.
Best of the best. Ini sapi wagyu A5 yang di street food, tendon banget.
Wih, seru strolling around Macau. Habis tadi udah parade. Ini yang rame-rame gini nih, Beb, lihatnya apa nih?
Disenggol terus.
Ini mah yang tadi udah. Lucu banget. Literally the cutest outfit.
Dia ada makeup juga. Earrings, butterfly.
Aku harus nanya, itu di mana belinya? Mbak, aku mau pakai itu ke kamu, Mbak. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Wow. No. Oh my god. Anjir. Serem parah.
Besok, I'll do it.
Wait, Jen naik juga nih. Oh my god.
Serem parah.
多謝你哋嘅表演同埋送上嘅祝福。接住落嚟係澳門宿霧耶穌聖嬰協會嘅表演，佢哋嘅宗旨係通過獻身聖嬰，真直實踐信仰。
Kenapa ketawa?
Keren dong. Nggak ngerti terkonsentrasi.
掌聲多謝澳門豪波中學步操旗樂隊，Muito obrigado。
Cedera parah gue anjir. Tahu nih kenapa.
Oke.
Oh. Nih kayak Jepang sih jalanannya. Kayak Jepang, tapi makanannya kayak Korea. Tapi jalanannya ada tiba-tiba kayak Singapura di sana.
Yeah, betul. It's
What
like
the
a mix.
fuck? Hello, sir.
Halo, ni hao.
Sir, excuse me. Excuse me. That's so nice. Lucu banget. That's so cute. Oh, you prep me a wine too?
As a complimentary for us.
Aww, this is really nice.
You can enjoy it for free. And this one is a dolphin Leo. You can take it back home too.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Dolphin because we have the dolphin show.
Oh, really?
Yes, we have the dolphin show on 1, 3, 5, and 7 o'clock in the spectacle.
Okay.
So that's why we have the dolphin Leo.
Okay, we're definitely gonna see that. Okay, thank you. Oh my god, MGM is the best. Hey. Right, this is really nice. Okay, so this is gonna be the bedroom and the bathroom. It's really nice. Bisa lewat situ. Wih, gue mau ngajak kalian tour di kamarnya MGM. Jadi untuk beberapa hari ke depan gue akan stay di MGM. Lucu banget, dapat sambutan. Terus lihat deh, kamarnya nice parah. Nanti gue bakal kasih detail dan room tour parah. Wih, di reels nanti. Nih, gemes banget. Terus ini connecting. This is ada wardrobe di sini. Dan paling terpenting, oke, jadi di Macao itu basically mereka toiletnya pada nggak pakai bidet, tapi yang ini pakai. Malah bagus banget lagi. Paling penting sih, komponen paling penting dari sebuah tempat adalah toilet. Dan toilet durian ice cream. Nih kita foto di sini bagus nih. Jadi kayak tempat banyak banget kayak tempat makan makanannya. Dan ini katanya the famous
冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
diem.
Dia bilang betul. Yeah, so we need your daily dose of compliments. So I was saying, like, you look absolutely magnificent. You look like a princess, not only beautiful on the outside but on the inside.
And then?
You know, like you're that girl that you look in the movies. That's like adorable.
Which movies?
pretty.
A horror one?
Yeah, the romantic, like the good girl, where boys dreams of. Yeah, just this magnificent woman. Yeah.
I know.
Okay, then I don't need to say.
Ooh.
And even back in such days, it's such a long time, they use a really beautiful pigment here that can keep their color. And next I'll take you to a more beautiful carpet, which is more delicate and intrinsic in details.
Alright, okay. But why carpets? Like what's
Yeah, sorry, I forgot to make the introduction. So here, welcome to MGM Cotai. Here, art is our core of our company culture. So you will see art is dotted around the public spaces right here. And right, the imperial carpets is so special. Actually, for what we know right now, it's about 300 carpets around the world, and right here in the Emerald Lobby, we have 28 pieces. 28 so it's around 10% of the world collection. And these are all handmade and made by the imperial workshops. And at one point, the emperor will go to the workshop again. And also, as you can count, there's an answer I love to ask my customers is, how many dragons can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's 9, yeah.
Yeah. So 9 is a very special number in the Chinese culture as well, because 9 is the highest single-digit number. So this is where the emperor will use this. And as you can see, another lovely story I love is the seashell here. So this is symbolized the emperor will listen to his people. Ah, I see. And we're here to make sure everything is under control.
Gila ya, MGM keren banget. Ini lobby mallnya aja semajestic ini cuy. Dan ini nyambung langsung sama si hotelnya tadi. Gila sih, everything yang luxury kalian bisa lihat di Macau sih.
If you don't have much time in Macau, then you can come to this spot to see each of these 8 views of Macau. So we can even go closer. The artist is called Zhong, and what is his unique artistic language is a bit burnt at the edges of his work. Why is burnt? Because in 1991, his studio got on fire and all his work is burnt. Whoa. So, but actually after the fire is finished, closed down, we go back. As you can see, as closer, it's actually made by porcelain. The artist is called Liu Jianhua. And as you actually look into the letters, it's not just English letters, it's also Chinese characters there. So even for Chinese characters, this is a part of our characters to build your own full characters. What is actually this piece is telling a story. Actually, no like pillars everywhere, so it's a big open space. Oh, okay. And what we love about it is called that we can have all the entertainment under one roof, like food. LED screen here is also the largest in Asia, and all the nature is from all over the world. Everything there, what we can see, is made of sugar, and it's called fondant. And the master
this is edible?
Yeah. You know, at the wedding cake, the Western wedding cake, like a cup of the white one with the cup of tears, that is made of fondant, and this is made of fondant too. Wow. And Master Joey is actually a world champion engagement scene. So right here is the picture. The red lady here is the matchmaker. She's bringing all the gifts from the groom to his asked for engagement to the parents of the bride, like the soon-to-be bride, the girl. And so he's very shy. And the groom is like so excited to see his bride finally. And this is very sweet scenery as well, because the parents are there from the story that I love to tell to other customers.
Okay.
It's perfect for photo. Ini kayak dijual Singapura.
Kind of. Seru banget. Jadi ini sekarang tea time. Habis diajak tour, sekarang kita tea time. This one? Alright. Tea time. Ada set of tea. Ada ini kayak one of their special. Tinggal dituang. Coba dituang tolong.
Oke? Ya. Kita masih dulu.
Then what you do with it?
And then you say pop pop 3 times. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. Pop pop.
control it. Len.